Hey there. Imagine coming home after a long day and your key just won't fit in the lock. You take a closer look. Yep, someone's put super glue in there. Frustrating, right? If you ever find yourself in this sticky situation, don't panic. Today on Sure Lock and Key, we'll walk you through the best ways to remove super glue from a lock. Plus, we'll share tips to prevent lock tampering in the future. Let's get started. Finding glue in your lock isn't just a random accident. It's often an act of vandalism or an attempted break-in. If you're dealing with this, take a deep breath. There are solutions, and we're about to cover them step by step. Let's talk about the best ways to dissolve super glue safely without damaging your lock. Acetone, nail polish remover. This is one of the strongest solvents for breaking down super glue. Just apply a few drops inside the keyhole, wait a couple of minutes, and gently try inserting the key. WD-40. If acetone isn't doing the trick, try WD-40. It's great at breaking down residue and lubricating the lock at the same time. Spray it into the keyhole and wait before attempting to remove the glue. Vinegar. No acetone, no WD-40. Vinegar can work too. It's not as strong, but soaking the glued area for a few minutes might loosen things up. Now, if the glue isn't dissolving, we can try some alternative techniques to get the lock working again. Mechanical removal. Use a plastic scraper, credit card, or lock picks to gently scrape off dried glue. Be careful, don't damage the lock. Heat method. If you can enter your home another way, try heating the lock using a hairdryer or heat gun. This softens the glue and makes it easier to remove. Freezing method. Believe it or not, extreme cold can also help. Spray the lock with compressed air, like the kind used for cleaning keyboards. This can make the glue brittle and easier to chip away. Tried everything and still stuck? Sometimes it's best to call in a professional. Super glue can damage internal lock components, and forcing it might lead to a costly lock replacement. That's where Sure Lock and Key comes in. Our 24/7 emergency locksmiths can handle lock extractions quickly and safely, so you don't have to stress. The best way to deal with a glued lock? Prevent it from happening in the first place. Install a security camera. Visible cameras deter vandals before they act. Use a lock cover. Escutcheon plates protect your keyhole from tampering. Check your locks regularly. Spotting tampering early can save you time and hassle. Improve lighting. Motion-activated lights make it harder for vandals to hide. Apply lubricant. A thin layer of graphite powder or silicone lubricant makes it harder for glue to stick. There you have it. Now you know how to remove super glue from a lock and how to prevent this frustrating issue in the future. If you're dealing with a stuck or damaged lock, don't waste time. Sure Lock and Key is here to help 24/7. Give us a call or visit our website for fast, professional locksmith services. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on home security. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.